Hi, this is Grisha from Markup Plugin. In today's video, I will show how to set up full set of SaaS emails, such as welcome email, reset password, and receipt for your startup using Figma and Klaviyo. First, install the Markup plugin for Figma community. With this plugin, you can export fully custom HTML email templates from Figma. Second, duplicate the free SaaS email design system file. All link will be in the description. I just duplicated the Figma file, so let's customize this file. To meet your need, let's change logo, styles, links, and social icons. So this file each contains a couple of emails, and each email has header, footer, and body part. So to customize the logo, select a header component, then click on this button on the right sidebar from the file. Figma navigates you to the parent main component, and here you can set up any logo as you want. You can simply drag and drop any image inside this container. Let's make another logo. Let it be some blue rectangle. Now each email has the rectangle as a logo. And the same way you can customize any fonts and text styles. But I recommend to keep these fonts because it's a Georgia font and Arial. They are web-safe fonts. They will work perfectly on every email platform, such as Outlook and so on. So the second, let's customize a footer. You can set up any icons here, or you can change social icons links. To change social icon link, you can simply run the plugin, Markup plugin, then select an icon, go to the properties section, and here you can insert any link as you want that will navigate to your social icons. And the same way for the buttons. To export your templates from Figma to Klaviyo, one important thing before the export is to check unsubscribe link. For Klaviyo, it's important to make sure you have a unsubscribe link into your emails. So we have unsubscribe link on every footer. So let's go to the parent component, run the plugin. If we select an unsubscribe link and go to the properties section, we can see that this link has set it up in the file, so it will work on the Klaviyo. So let's select, for example, base email, welcome. So let's run the plugin, select an email, click on the preview button. Here you can see your email. Mobile version works perfectly, so let's check how it works on dark mode. We can check it like so. Each social icon has a white background. This with the white background, icons work in the dark mode. So let's click on export button. On the export section, click Klaviyo. And we have a couple of options here. We can either import to Klaviyo using API key, but the easiest way is to click on copy HTML. Plugin copied the email code on the clipboard, then go to the Klaviyo dashboard, go to the content templates, click create this arrow icon, import email template, paste HTML. Paste the file here, let's call it welcome, and click import template. And now, as you can see, that your template already exported on the Klaviyo. Mobile versions work perfectly, and you can send it and test it right in the Klaviyo.